My name is Charles Murunga from Eurisk Consulting. At Eurisk, we do bookkeeping, accounting, tax, and training for small and medium-sized enterprises. Put simply, we keep your books for you, and we advise you on tax and other matters. 8 or so months ago, I came across Uhasibu, an online accounting system. And from the onset, I was very excited. I was excited because Uhasibu enabled us, or our company, to be able to do work for our clients in a far much easier manner. Some of the key pluses of Uhasibu, or attributes of Uhasibu, was its accessibility. Being online, it allows you to access Uhasibu anywhere. So if you have an online connection with your pad or tab or laptop, then you can get to Uhasibu. And from there, you can do your invoicing, your petty cash, look at your reports, and so on and so forth. So with that, it is quite amazing. It also allows several users to use the system at the same time. So you are able to update your things or look at your reports and access the system very, very easily, and that was quite amazing for us. It made our work easier because if one of my staff was in a different location, they could actually do the work and they don't have to be in the office. Or if the client was out of the office, they could still access their reports and see what work we were doing. So with that, I think that's one of the big advantages of Uhasibu. The other thing about Uhasibu is its simplicity, and this I really love. It is simple, yet it takes into consideration all the generally accepted accounting principles that are there for any accountant, that any accountant will consider. If you're to do your invoicing, it's 3 or 4 steps. If you're to handle your petty cash, it's 3 or 4 steps. If you're to do your transfers from bank to cash to any account, it's 3 or 4 clicks. If you're to do your payments, it's also that fast. So it's amazing how simple it is for anybody. It doesn't take long. There are online tutorials for you to learn. So it's very simple. Yet it actually maintains the key fundamental principles of accounting. So you are able to balance your books as well as and not figure out all the difficult accounting things that are behind there. The other thing that I've come to love Uhasibu about is the great team behind it. Mike and Angela, those who I know, have done a great job in one, supporting users, especially me and other clients, in terms of when we have a query, it's addressed immediately or quickly, and they take the time to explain to you. They also do very good trainings on a monthly basis, just to have people maintain, to have basic discipline on accounting, because that is very key and fundamental to using the system. Then they are also very approachable or very open to new ideas. So, for example, if you suggest something new to them, then they will consider it and actually act on it over time, based on their tight schedule of things that they have to do. So that has really helped and is continuously improving the system as we go along. In my opinion, I think Uhasibu, being a Kenyan system or Kenyan design system, has taken up the Kenyan aspects and culture of business, which is very important. When you look at other systems like QuickBooks or Sage Master and things like that, they don't incorporate the kind of language we use or kind of functionalities we have in Kenya here. For example, an account like M-Pesa, you wouldn't find it in QuickBooks, but you'll find it in the standard chart of accounts of Uhasibu, and a few other things that are defined in Uhasibu that are not there in certain accounting systems. So that is great. In my opinion, I think they've done 60 to 75% of the work on Uhasibu. There's still room for improvement. One of the areas that I feel needs a lot of needs some effort in is the dashboard. The dashboard is a snapshot. It quickly tells you where your company is at, the profitability or your valuation of the company, the assets, the liabilities, the amount of cash you have in the bank, and things like that. So it's really one area I know the team is working on and it can really improve. Another probable area is customers and supplier statements. Well, I know the team is also working on, and in due course, you get to see that coming up. The reports are excellent, and for those who are worried about maintaining the information or losing the information, there's a functionality in the system that allows you to download and save the information or backup information in an Excel format that is simple and easy to use. So I think all in all, I'll continue using Uhasibu, at least our team knows, and I'll encourage people to use it. Just one thing to remember, what you put into the system is what you get out. So you need to have the simple discipline about accounting to be able to use the system, or just simple money management. Money in, money out is all Uhasibu requires you to know for you to be able to use the system.